Hello everyone, we are going to see about views and routes. In AngularJS, views and routes are used for building single-page applications where different parts of the application are loaded dynamically without requiring full page reload. Views represent the different sections or page of the application, while routes define the URLs and corresponding views for navigating within the application. Key concepts. Views. Views are the different sections or pages of application that are loaded dynamically. Each view typically corresponds to a separate HTML template file containing the markup for that section of the application. Routes. Routes defines the mapping between URLs and views. They specify which view to load when a particular URL is accessed. Routes are configured using the AngularJS routing module, ng-route, or a third-party routing library such as UI router. Single-page application. Views and routes are essential for building SPAs where the entire application runs within a single web page navigation between different sections of the application occurs without full page reload. Usage. AngularJS provides the ng-route module for defining routes and loading views dynamically based on correct route. Now I am going to show you the example of how views and routes are configured in AngularJS using ng-route. Inside the body, I am going to create a div of ng app equal to, and inside the div I am going to create h1 views and routes. Next, I am going to create not a list. Inside that, I am going to create a list. Another like for this, I am going to create another file. Another page. Now I am going to create another div. Inside that, I am going to give ng view. Now I am going to create a script, and I am going to define an AngularJS module and configure routes. Inside that I'm going to have a route. Otherwise, next I'm going to create a controller home controller function scope. If I run this, see like this, we will get the output. In this example, we defined an AngularJS module called myapp and included the ng route module as a dependency to enable routing functionality. Inside the module configuration function, we use the route provider service to define the routes for different URL. For each route, we specify the URL and the template URL and the controller. We define controllers, home controller and about controller for each view. These controllers contain logic specific to each view. We use div ng view div directive to indicate whether the view should be loaded. HTML templates contain the markup for the home and about view respectively. When you run this code in the browser, AngularJS will handle navigation between the home and about view based on the URL, loading the corresponding HTML templates and executing the associated control. This demonstrates the usage of view and routes in AngularJS for building single-page applications. Thank you.